Hello, I hope you are doing well. It's Tony. Today I will be doing a video about celebrating my 2,000 plus YouTube subscriber. So far, I have like 2,600 plus YouTube subscriber. And I'm gonna tell you how it all started, right? I started my YouTube channel let me check real quick, in December 1st, 2024, right? And I didn't post my first video till January 8th of 2025, and I didn't reach monetization until I hit over 100 video. And, uh, and once I hit that monetization, it took me at least about 1 year and 3 months. So right now, I think it's about 1 year and I think 4.5 months, really. So right now, at this point, in April, right? April 2026, I have over 2,600 plus subscribers. So I'm very thankful for that. And today I want to celebrate it by doing a cooking video for you guys, okay? So I'll be cooking this right here. I will be cooking, I think, beef flanking short rib, bone in, okay, with rice and some veggie, okay. So here it is. Let me show it to you, okay, right there. I hope you can read it. I hope you can read it. But it's kind of hard. But okay, let me show it to you, okay. I hope you can read it. So that's what I'll be cooking today, and that's my celebration for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the cooking, and let's begin. Okay, here's my setup, okay? I have my frying cast iron pan with the stove, my phone, and here you can see a better image of it. I'm hoping you can read this. Better image. 99 a pound, $6.39 total. So this is a beef flanking short rib, bone in. That's what we're cooking today with some veggie. You can see veggie, green pepper and onion, and some cooked rice. I already did the rice already. And we're gonna put some oil in it, some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, this one just in case I need to hold the pan on it. So, and this covering is to cover the wind. Okay, so it's kind of windy today, and there's my plate. I can put the food in there, and my washing bowl, and there's a couple pitching. I think they're watching me how to cook my food. You know what I mean? And here I am. Let me show you around. Okay. See, I'm at like a dog park, right? In the shade. You can see there's a dog park over there. I'm at a parking lot. You can see. And this is some sort of like drainage or some sort in Las Vegas. And here's my car. I parked it there for some privacy and some wind blockage. So it's a little bit windy, not too windy. You know what I mean? So hopefully when we cook, it's not going to be that windy, okay? I can see people playing soccer over there. And this is a park, by the way, okay? This is at a Nevada Regional Park. Okay, let's do this. Okay, before we start, I'm gonna start the stove, okay? Okay, the stove is start. So now I'm gonna have to wait for it to get a little hot. And I'm gonna put some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil in it first. Okay, pour it in. Okay, a little bit of olive oil right now. Yeah, it's a little bit windy today, so I hope you guys can hear me. You know what I mean? So okay, let me wait till it heat up. Then we can put the flanking steak, okay, in there to cook. So we're gonna be we will be cooking the veggie last, okay? We're gonna be cooking the veggie last. So let's warm it up first. Then I'm probably gonna time the meat, maybe the flanking meat, maybe 2 minutes each side. I think 2 minutes. I think between 2 minutes and 3 minutes each side, okay? So let's wait to warm up a little bit. Then we can, you know, put in the steak, yeah? Okay, let's put in first. So we don't have to deal with it. So let's put in. A little bit windy right now, so it's kind of hard for me to, hopefully it doesn't drop, so gotta be careful. All right, let's do this. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's in. It's in. All right, it's in. Hmm. Okay, I gotta get some napkins there. Some napkin. Let me put the meat around. Put the spread around. Let me spread the meat around. All right. Right. Okay. I'll probably cook this for I think between 2 to 3 minutes each side. Okay. Let me see here. Let me see here. Hold on. Okay. Let me time right now. Okay. So I think 2 minutes. Then we're gonna be flipping. Okay. So let's see. Okay. We cook right now, and it's almost 2 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes right now. Okay. We're gonna flip it now. We're gonna flip it. All right. 2 minutes right now. Now we're gonna flip the other one. Another 2 minutes. Okay, We're gonna cook it for another 2 minutes. So far, does it look good, you guys? It look tasty, right? It really does look tasty. Let me bring closer. Let's see. That's how tasty it looks. Wow, so yummy, right? Yeah. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be a good 2,000 plus subscriber celebration. We're gonna be eating some sort of like Asian cuisine, Asian cuisine food. You know what I mean? It's gonna taste so good. You know what I mean? Better than the store, by the way. Okay? Like I say, I'm not a professional cook, but I can cook. I think. I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be good. I guarantee it's gonna be good. So we will be putting the vegetable last. Once it cooked, we're gonna put in the plate over there. The plate, and yeah, we're gonna spread it with rice, and it's gonna be ready to eat, and it's gonna be really, really tasty. So yeah, okay, I think it's done. We're gonna put it in the plate right here. You can see it's cooked. Now we're gonna be cooking the veggie, okay? Cooking the veggie. Little veggie. Okay, cook it. Right. Okay, we're cooking the veggie now for probably 1 minute, 1 minute or 2 minutes. Which is all cooked. You know what I mean? It shouldn't take that long, really. It shouldn't take that long. So it's be quick and easy. Quick and easy. Just stir a little bit. You don't want it to be too cooked, just enough. You know what I mean? That means kind of soft a little bit, not too soft. Yeah. And it has a lot of oil in it, so it's gonna be a lot of flavor, by the way. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of good flavors. All right. I can see the whole cooking only took almost 10 minutes. That's it, 10 minutes. It doesn't take that long, really. You know what I mean? Quick and easy, simple food for nomadic people and everybody. Anybody can cook this. Whether you live in a car, RV, van, a home, or a studio, or even you're living in a tent, camping, okay? Who knows, even on Skid Row, you can do that too, you know what I mean? So, doesn't matter where you live, you can cook simple, healthy food. Look at this, it's ready, okay? Looks so delicious, right? So delicious. Okay, the product is ready. I call this Asian Fusion Cuisine by Tony of Living in My Car Camper. This is how I cook my food for you guys for the 2,000 plus YouTube celebration. Okay, so let's go look closer. Zoom in a little bit. See everything. So this should be good. And I think they will definitely fill me up for sure. It's a lot of rice right there. Two flanking short ribs and some veggie. That should be good enough to eat for today. So I would like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel, watching my video, giving my video a like, commenting, and subscribe to my channel. And also giving my channel and all my video a hype. So hopefully you guys can hype this video, and so people will know, about my channel and how I cook my food. You know what I mean? So this video is dedicated to all you guys. Okay, all you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. Okay, so thank you, appreciate it. You know what I mean? So, and for everybody that support my channel, you know what I mean? Being faithful to my channel, staying faithful to my channel, and watching my video. Okay, so hopefully I will keep posting more video every single week, and also live video every single week too. Okay, so you gotta know what I'm doing, where I am at, and what's coming up next. You know what I mean? So I'm excited for this new year 2026. You know what I mean? I can't wait how many more subscribers we'll get down the road. I hope it keep getting more subscribers. You know what I mean? And I hope that people will notice my channel more and like to watch my videos and see what my life is all about. You know what I mean? So living life in a car and how I live a good life by early retirement, somewhat early retirement, semi-retirement. Okay, so it's better than living a 9 to 5 job. You know what I mean? And working like a slave, okay, just to pay rent, okay, just to try to go by, you know what I mean? So this way, living my car set me free, you know what I mean? So I can do whatever I want to do, live a simple life, you know what I mean? And share it to the world. And like I said, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? Everybody can do it. Anybody can live this life. It's not hard, really, you know what I mean? And yeah, you know what I mean? And if you like this video, please give this a like, okay? Please give this video a like. You know what I mean? It will help me out a lot. Comment on my video. Let's see here. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, help out my channel. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you keep watching my video, please subscribe. You know what I mean? And it will help a lot. Okay, and I'm hoping this channel will grow and people will know it and they will learn from it. Okay, learn from this channel. Hopefully they can escape the 9 to 5. And be happy like me, you know what I mean? Until the government's gonna be all mad and stuff, then it was like, no, nobody's gonna be living in a car, okay? Then there's gonna be a mass civil war riot, okay, in America, okay? I hope that doesn't happen, but if it do, We'll be there. We'll be there to fight it, okay? So take care, everybody. And thank you for watching my video. Until next time, I will see you all. Take care, guys.